Hey everybody, today is February 12th, 6:22 a.m. and let's get right to it. Futures look pretty good this morning after um, a deal in the government for avoiding a shutdown. As long as it gets signed, it's going to be pretty good. Um, Looks like we might have a pretty good day because the S&P has been consolidating for a bit, had some up and down days there. So this could trigger a pretty nice up move. Let's hope we get that. And then going to my daily list. Actually, before I do that, let me look at the oscillator real quick. We're at plus 21, which is not overbought. So we have room to move up if the market actually wants to go. We're not in an overbought condition or anything. Looking at my list, DXCM. Tried to break out yesterday. Couldn't quite get there. And then it pulled back some. It still looks really good to me. You see the volume that came in down here. It still looks pretty good to me. It made quite a bit of a move to get to that line, so for it to be pushed down a little bit would make sense. I think it still has a chance to go. I was in it yesterday and got stopped out, and I bought it again before the close to be in it for today. We'll see if it goes up. I think it can, which is why I bought it again. So tandem, it's starting to look ready to go here. That nice base, and yesterday we had good volume come in and the price is starting to climb towards the upper line, and the breakout on that is 45.30. basically it crosses that line. If volume is similar to today, it should start going. NFLX still in the ascending triangle. You can see it's obeying those lines. Got to get up there. That's 360. Square, it came out of the symmetrical triangle, had some volume, but didn't really get a lot of price momentum. I don't know, they still kind of think this is a bit messy in here. It did fill the gap. Maybe that's what it needed to do, and then it's going to get buying. I don't know, it's hard to read this thing since it's been tossed around so much in here. But if you got in, you're still, it's out of the pattern, so give it a chance and see if it gets going. ANET, again, its earnings are coming up February 14th, which is Thursday, probably after the market close. Looks good. It was up about $3 yesterday at one point. It's getting volume. So, again, I would not hold that over earnings. Let me take a quick zip through these ones because I haven't looked at them in a bit. This guy jumped on earnings. I had a pretty good move over this line though, but needs time to consolidate again. Most of these will need more time to reconsolidate, or it's already breaking out. So Palo Alto from there looking really good. It just keeps wanting to go up. Domo came out of this little pennant, starting to build higher. Trade desk got tossed around a bit, was up pretty good, and then got dropped, so might have got stopped out, or I would have probably still had my stop down here, but probably still ultimately would have been stopped out. Probably needs more time, and its earnings are coming up February 21st anyway, so that needs time. This guy's kind of going sideways now, even after having such a good day when it came out. It is holding the line though, so maybe it'll make its way higher. Mongo still climbing. This thing has really surprised me, and its earnings aren't until March, so it's got room to go. Xilinx is gapping up, looks like about $2 right now, and again it broke out. I got in it when it broke out, then it got choppy, drops back below the line. I hate when that happens, so I got knocked out of it, but now it's gapping up $2, so the market is choppy a little bit anyway, where you get this news and then you get geopolitical risk, and then you get all these things come up and you get tossed around. It's a little tough right now. Align still going sideways. Anything over that is probably going to be good. Any move over that, hopefully it'll have volume when it does it. And then this guy has been completely totaled. It's done. See what I meant? Last week I said I think it was last week, that it was so choppy in here. Like to see selling come in like that, and then to have it break out here and then selling comes in immediately. I don't like that. I don't like when something breaks out and then just selling just drives it back down. There's something really wrong there. There's a major opposing forces there, and you can see it here. It's just being sold off now. Avoid. Anyway, that's it. Right now, my one position is DXCM. I'm expecting that that will go, especially with the positive futures we have right now. But that's it. Next video will be tomorrow, I believe. And I'll see you then.